Now, we now want to look at a couple of examples also under differentiation. Remember, if you have y equals to ax raised to the power of n, your dy dx equals a nx raised to the power of n minus 1. Now, let's take a look at this problem. Number 1, s equals t squared plus t raised to the power of 3. Differentiate s with respect to t. So what we have is ds dt equals these two will come to this side. So I have 2t, 2 minus 1, that will give me 1. So that is 2t plus, then this one, 3 will come to this side. I have 3 minus 1, that will give me 2 here. So I have 3t squared. So meaning that if I have s equals t squared plus t raised to the power of 3, ds dt equals 2t plus 3t squared. If I have y equals s squared plus 3s raised to the power of 4, dy ds equals 2x plus 12s raised to the power of 3. If I have a is equals to 3t raised to the power of 4.5 minus 4t raised to the power of minus 1, then the a dt will be equals to 13.5 t raised to the power of 3.5 plus 4t raised to the power of minus 2. If I have y is equals to 2s raised to the power of minus 1 minus s raised to the power minus 2, my dy ds will be equals to minus 2s raised to the power of minus 2 plus 2s raised to the power of minus 3. And if I have the last one, which is s is equals to 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus 2.5 t raised to the power of minus 2, my ds dt will be equals to 2t raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus 5t raised to the power of minus 3. Now, let's take a look at some other examples under that. Now, remember, to differentiate any function, y is equals to as raised to the power of n. Your dy ds is equals to a nx raised to the power of n minus 1. We were told here that y is equals to square root of x plus 1 over square root of s, that we should differentiate this with respect to x. To differentiate this with respect to s, the first thing we need to do is to rewrite this expression. Remember, square root of s is the same thing as s raised to the power of 1 over 2. And also, 1 divided by square root of s is the same thing as s raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Now, by writing that, we have our y now to be equals to s raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus s raised to the power of 1 over 2. Therefore, our dy ds will now be equals to still the same approach. 1 over 2 will come to this side. 1 over 2 is now coming to this side. Then minus 1. So 1 over 2 minus 1 will give you minus 1 over 2. Minus, for this second case now, minus 1 over 2 will come to this side, making this side now to be minus 1 over 2x. Then if you have minus 1 over 2 minus 1, and that will give you minus 3 over 2. Therefore, if you rewrite this one, because you must rewrite it in the format the question was given. Now, if you rewrite it just in the format the question was given, so it means I will now have my dy ds to be equals to 1 divided by 2 root s minus 1 divided by 2 square root of x raised to the power of 3. In general, if y equals square root of x plus 1 over root x, the dy ds is equals to 1 divided by 2 root x minus 1 divided by 2 root s raised to the power of 3.